Welcome to The Story and Health Benefits of Millets, Ancient Grains for Modern Health. Millets have been nourishing humanity for thousands of years and continue to be an essential part of diets around the world. In this video, we'll unravel the captivating history, explore the numerous health benefits, discover their origins, and learn how to incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into our daily lives. Creating YouTube videos to describe all millets would likely require a series of videos, as there are numerous types of millets, each with its own unique characteristics, benefits, and uses. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses that have been cultivated as food crops for thousands of years. They are known for their nutritional value, resilience to harsh environmental conditions, and diverse culinary applications. History of millets, historical visuals depicting ancient civilizations and agriculture. Millets have been cultivated since ancient times, with evidence of their consumption dating back over 7,000 years. Originating in Africa and Asia, millets were among the earliest crops domesticated by humans. These small seeded grasses provided sustenance to ancient civilizations like the Harappan and Indus Valley civilizations, and later, the Greeks and Romans. While the Western world temporarily shifted its focus to other grains like wheat and rice, millets remained an integral part of traditional diets in many regions. Coming to the health benefits of millets, millets offer a wide range of health benefits, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. These grains are naturally gluten-free, rich in dietary fiber, and contain essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Moreover, millets possess antioxidants and phytonutrients, which contribute to their anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of millets can help reduce the risk of heart disease, control blood sugar levels, aid in weight management, and promote digestion. Origin and types of millets. Millets are a diverse group of grains, each with its unique characteristics and origins. Common types include finger millet, foxtail millet, pearl millet, proso millet, little millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet, sorghum. They have been cultivated in regions ranging from Africa to Asia, and from Europe to the Americas. Each variety has adapted to the local climate and provides valuable nutrition to communities worldwide. Now that we understand the history and health benefits of millets, let's explore some exciting ways to incorporate them into our diet. You can replace rice or refined wheat with millets to make wholesome porridges, savory pilafs, and even fluffy pancakes. Millet flour can be used to bake nutritious bread, cookies, and muffins. The versatility of millets allows for both sweet and savory preparations, ensuring there's something to suit every palate. As we conclude our exploration of millets, we hope this video has inspired you to embrace these ancient grains in your everyday life. By incorporating millets into your diet, you not only gain the health benefits they offer, but you also contribute to the preservation of traditional food systems and sustainable agriculture. Let's rediscover the wonders of millets and embark on a journey towards a healthier and more resilient future. So, why not start adding a variety of millets to your meals today? If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition and health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, a handful of colorful and healthy plate of meal a day can keep the doctor away.